In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see Playtime on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, as you can see, I'm in the official website of Nintendo Switch. And I can see here my Nintendo Store, games, Nintendo Switch, news and events, Play Nintendo, and much more. You can also talk to the support team, watch list, and much more. So, in the official website of Nintendo, there is no information about how to see Playtime. You cannot see Playtime here. So, if you want to see your Playtime on Nintendo Switch, you need to turn on your Nintendo Switch. So, when you do that, you will be able to see now the Nintendo Switch official homepage. You can see now news, the shop, and much more. But we just want to see the playtime on Nintendo Switch. So if you want to do that, you need to click your profile icon right here in the top corner. So you can click there. After that, you can see now all the informations about your profile. You can see profile, friend list, add friends, user settings, and much more. So as you can see, your play time will be right here in the play activity. So you can see your playtime in the game you want right here below of the name of your game. So that's the only way to do that. I hope I helped you in how to see playtime on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.